according. So here, in case of Reliance, if you see these kinds of movement, let's say this one leg of either, let's say this is I'm considering as a AB, and here it's a AB and C. Whenever there is a one leg is very long or very short, if you see here is a short, here it's a long leg. In the both cases, the movement will be minimum to minimum is 61% of the whole. Most of the time they say it will go to 81%. 81% of this total move. Okay, either it can be like this or can be like this. So I'm just removing now. 80% of this total move will be this, means that is a minimum. So it has done 80%, that is 1433 was the 80%. So now if you see the sideline also, by this it might be crossing above this. Okay, now one thing has left here, that is the time. So this is the 1 and this is the 2. Still there is a time, and the movement is very sharper here, means angle of the raise is very quick, right? So here there is a possibility of this like A and B. Okay, or if something has ended this particular point, so here we say it's a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 also be possibilities. Okay, if that is the thing, means this is a third wave, again it will go to the upside, because if you see this moment, this is a sharper, again this will be the sharper, and it might go to the 1560 and test the high once again. So look for the buy setup in case of Reliance, not to sell as of now. Okay, so look for buy, not to sell as of now. This is the channel and this is the top. So we can expect some downside movement if it crosses this, but if it is not, then we are going to see one up before it can go any further down. So this will be the important line for us. Let's say it moves like this and goes, then our channel will be shifting from this to this top. Then the target for the upside will be little reduced, right? So stay in a buy, not to sell, as we can expect this in case of Reliance. So buy in case of Reliance, not to sell as of now. So I'm just keeping this present channel here. So if it is taking support, one side movement or one upside movement can be seen in case of Reliance. Okay. So now house is open for the question. If you have any doubts related to any scripts, you can ask me, or if you have any doubts or anything related to trading or technicals or Elliott or NeoView or anything else, you can ask me. You can unmute yourself and ask, or else you can either type also. Okay, someone has asked earlier, like Itcher, I remember. One more script was that. What was? So who asked that Itcher motor? I'll see the Itcher one, I remember. One more I didn't. So please let me know what was the other script. Okay. As I need to go in a daily structure. It is near to this channel's bottom or this trend line, which is taking support. We can see a one down before it can go any further up. So if you see the longer term chart, this will be the trend line. So again, here it is facing a resistance. Okay. So if you go hourly chart, here, or if you see, this is the bottom. We need to keep it at a time like this. Let's say if it is taking some more time and not breaking in lesser time of 13,189, we can see this is the longer one, this is the shorter one. If it is taking some time here, a shorter one, so it will come to 80% again. So that is the kind of that is C failure we say in a zigzag. Okay, so we can see if it is breaking in lesser time, then we will be seeing further downside to test the low of earlier low, which is 13,040 and 12,452. Let's say if it is breaking in lesser time. If not, if it is spending some time here, so we may see a reversal. If we see the reversal, we can expect at least like 14,252 and further to 14,964 in case of Ichimoto. Okay, here I am adding one more channel. So if it breaks, then that is a good sign. In lesser time, we can buy for 80% of this total move for the downside. Means 80% of this total correction. Okay, correction ka 80%. So here in case as of now is a look for the sell setup, but if it is taking support, we can look for the buy. And I'll just add the RSI also. We'll see is there any reversal. On the basis of RSI, I won't trade, but to just see the is there any what we can say diversion, I'm just referring. Here you can see it's a not positive diversion, but it's a negative diversion. It's a low, it's a higher low, but here it's a low and it's lower low. There is a chance like it will go one down before it can go any further up. So wait for this 13,050 and how it behaves near that structure. You need to wait because it is facing a resistance of the channel also from the top. Okay. And here we might take a support if it is faster movement. Let's say this is a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If it is impulse, then we are going to see 11,914 in case of Ichimoto. That is also possibility before it can go any further up. Okay, Avanti Feeds and Tata Consumable. Okay, Avanti. And if you mention the time frame, that will be good for me because I don't know whether you want me to see the chart in hourly basis or in like weekly basis or in monthly basis. So that depends again. It's Avanti Feeds. So if you add the channel, that is a one good thing here. So if you see here, something might be like a or B or something new structure has started at this particular zone. So here it's again taking some time. So it's a good sign. And it is taking support on the top of the channel. So there is a chance like from here only, it might reverse one more time to go upside. If it is reversing, again, you need to just add the channel here and this. And again, you will be seeing target as, let's say the minimum support will be this and the next will be this. So we can expect 480 and 513 in the case of Avanti Feeds. So look for buy, not to sell. It might come a little bit down. If it is in a sideways, that's okay. But we are going to see this 480 or 470 as per this upside move. Okay, just I'm expecting one up. If it is from here also, we can see a 515 or 500 level in case of Avanti Feeds. So looking good for buy, not for sell. Okay. Monthly. Okay, fine. Okay, monthly chart. Because it has broken the low, so I am considering this as new channel or channel stop. So as per the monthly chart, you are in the what is it, inside candle. So there is no trend as per now until and unless it breaks the high or breaks the low. Nothing much is going to change, and it is a sharper for the downside. If you see this moment of top to down, there is a chance it might come little bit to the 166 also for the monthly basis. Okay, if you see the longer time support, it's near to that. Again, here it is taking support, but before that, just I'll go one more time lower. That will be easy. Okay, fine. It is moving inside the channel. As per weekly, there is a chance like it might come to the level of 38% or 50% before it can go any further down. So there is a chance like it might be doing something like 1 and 2 or 3 and 4 or 5. Then it will be going to do for B. Then it will going to go for C. There is a chance. Then it might come downside. Okay, there is a chance. But if it is fastly, if it is going down, then we are going to see for a sell side. But as of now, it's looking like something internally. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we can see at least like 514 or 511 450 in case of Avanti feeds. In the longer zone, I'm expecting some correction. But why? Because if you see this total movement of this is faster compared to earlier upside movement. If you see this is this angle, and if you see this angle, which is faster, this or this? This is faster, right? Means fall is faster compared to the raise. So there is a chance like it might do this and one more down from the 80% or to the 61% can be seen. So I'm expecting this in case of Avanti feeds. Or if it has to make the triangle, it will. Means if it is very good stock, it might be going to do a triangle here before it can go any further up. So directly it won't be, because if I see this downside move first, let's say, it has to cross the high in lesser time. So we left only January, means January 2020, oh, sorry, June 2020, means in 2 months, it has to cross the high in lesser time. So in June, before 2nd June, if it is crossing, then we can say, okay, it can go one up, but that is not looking as per the price movement as of now. Okay, so you can expect this also in case of Avanti feeds. So if you have the positions, I hope you can wait for this and exit again. If you are getting at lower side, you can buy, or else you can exit here, and if you're getting the bottom again, you can have some. Okay, HM Motor also unit, sorry, one more user, Tata Consumables in monthly chart. Weekly I'm seeing. Okay, yes. Yeah, the same similar structure that of the Avanti feeds, I hope, because it's downside move. If you follow the channels, that will be a good thing. At least like it will give some hint to the movement. Okay. Now again, you need to check which is the faster retracement zone for you. This is the highest point. This is the lowest point. It is going in a sideways. So there is a chance like it might go to the 80%. I'm moving to the one lower time frame because the internal structure we can see in that lower time frame. So if I go with a Fibonacci, so this will be the thing. We can see some 80% movement in 361 or something in this case, or even to the 100%. I'm not saying, but that will be like A and B. The C will come minimum to 38%, that is 331, or even to the 284. This structure I'm looking in case of Tata Consumables. So you can look for like 361 or something, then it might come one more down in case of weekly chart. But monthly also, again, I'm expecting one correction weekly or something, but here we can expect one down before it can go any further up. So we're not very comfortable to add now, but if you have any, so you can exit at 361 or 408 and wait for this to happen. Okay. Nifty will see that if to say a zigzag, we need to see a correction. It needs to take some time. So in correction, in Nifty, I don't think it took some time. So we'll see. See here, this you are looking at this. If you are saying this is not like 161%. It is more than 161%. So most of the time, if it is like this pattern, or let's say if I'm going in a daily, if this has to happen, zigzag structure, we need to see whether it is exact zigzag or not. Because if I'm taking this as a time and this as a lowest time, this is not a half time, at least like 100% time. If it is taking, then we can consider this as a zigzag. So the time wise here, I'm doubt little bit. And if you see the retracement is also, it is not below 61%. It is more than 61%. So that is the issue in this case of Nifty. Getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah, there is a very minute things, and not minute. If you go on see the differences and why it behaved here, why it not behaved here, we will be coming to see the way where the zigzag rule says, like as per the neo wave. I'm saying like as per the neo wave zigzag, it should be like minimum 38%, or below it should be 61%, not 61%. If it is 61 and above 80, it will be flat. Below 61% it should be, and the time wise at least it should spend that of the A to say this as a zigzag.
Okay.
That we need to consider. Okay.
And how the triangle is forming in this? You said that it may form triangle.
Yeah. Why I'm saying this as a triangle, because if you see the two possibilities, one is either it has to make the zigzag, say zigzag 100% time should be there. It is not the time wise correcting. Flat also not possible because the time is less. The only two possibilities left is one is triangle and one is diametric. Not
Okay.
only diametric or else in the triangle. So triangle, what will happen, the A leg and B leg, most of the time they'll take a lesser time or equal time. So there I'm expecting this as a like A, B, C, D and E. If it is triangle, then it will come to the D. If it is not coming to the D, then I have one more possibility that is a diametric. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like this it will go.
Okay.
Okay. So here maybe if you see, just I'm adding a line chart. So you can see this will be same like A, B, C, D, like E, F, G, H, like this. So this will be the diametric pattern we need to consider, because the time is very less here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So something has ended at this particular point as a diametric pattern. Maybe
So,
I have a chart, will show you.
so after diametric, how much retracement usually it takes?
After diametric it depends, because after diametric it is depend whether it is making a impulse or any corrective pattern. So minimum it is to make the 38% is a minimum, but 61% can be seen here. You see A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So here it's A, B, C.
Mm.
What I'm expecting here is this moment is faster, the A moment.
Mm.
And here this is not, we are looking, this might be the C. ये भी हो सकता है कि यहाँ ये मतलब सी बनाए, मतलब टाइम अगर स्पेंड ज्यादा होता है यहाँ पे, और इफ इट स्पेंड मोर टाइम हियर, so that will be like correction of this A, means that will be like A, so this will be the B, and whatever the time it spent, that's with for the C, then the movement will be faster of this A kind. So then it will be reaching at least to the 50% and 61%.
Okay.
So that is what I'm just looking as of now, because this movement is sharper, but after this correction here it's spending some time. So that is what I said, like here it's A, here it's a B, so we can see this C to the upside.
So sir, this retracement which we are correlating, it is in which chapter of this Neely's book?
It is in chapter 5.
In chapter 5. Okay.
Yeah. Chapter 5 it is there. They explained in chapter 5 like extension of the waves, and in that chapter only they have mentioned like what is the impulses, and in the chapter 6 there is a corrective waves. In the chapter 5 you will be finding these things.
Okay.
Okay. And anything else? Or any chart you want me to look? Any doubts here? Smaller wave, same thing. Nifty will retrace 61%. Yeah, Nifty not, but any charts, if you are looking similar kind, then we will be seeing those. Okay, if we have any example, we can see. So this can be considered, but it's more than 161%. If you see this moment from the down is shorter, 261% will not consider, but if it is below 261% or 161% price wise, then we can consider. But if you see this total moment, 61% is a minimum or 80%. Here it 50%. That's why it's not matching, because it's more than 261%. That also you need to think. Okay.
It is little confusing for me.
Yeah,
For
starting.
retracement and all this.
If you see like normally, if you read 1 or 2 times, then the things will get clear and your eyes will be trained.
I've already gone through one time. Second time I'll repeat it. But this retracement, especially retracement and timing, so that is, I can count the waves and everything, but it's a problem for this only.
Yeah, this will be there because again we need to think like in the higher time frame, it's look good, but in the lower time frame, as you come, it will be little difficult. For the extension, we say, for example, if it is an extension rule, you might be knowing the what we say retracement levels. For example, just for the shorter time, I'll tell you this: if say first wave is higher one, okay, then what will happen? The retracement for the third wave will be minimum 61%. That's it. 61% of this, or okay. So it is 100%, then 61% it will go. After that, we are seeing the correction. Then the next wave will be only 38% of this total move. So this will be like a first wave extension in this case.
First wave extension on.
Yeah, if it is first wave extension, the structure will looks like this.
Right.
If it is, let's say this is a smaller one and third will be more. This time what will happen?
It will be equal to first and fifth will be equal.
Yeah, here in case not very much equal, at least in case of like 38% and 68%, they should match. Means,
okay,
let's say this moment is 1000 points. Okay, they should correlate with 1 and 5. It might be 300 points, then this will be 700 points.
Okay.
Or if it is 600, then it will be 400, like that. If it is fifth, what will happen is this like, and if it is below 161% of this moment, let's say, if it is 100 points, here it is not moving 160 points or below that, there is a chance like the fifth wave will be extension. Then we need to consider this bottom and this top, and this whole 2 points will be 100%, and this can move 61% from there. So these for the impulse retracements. Okay. This is for impulse. And if you go for the neo wave, for example, for zigzag to make, only the minimum retracement, what can be the minimum retracement for the zigzag? Minimum
30 to 38.
No, minimum is 1%.
Okay, minimum is 1% retracement for zigzag.
Yeah,
okay.
Zigzag.
Okay, 1 to okay.
Yeah, 1%.
61.
Yeah, if it is moving also, this is a zigzag.
Okay.
Minimum is like below 61.8%. That is fine. It is going to go for zigzag. Okay, but what happens sometimes? Let's say this is the pattern. We are saying that okay, 38% is there. So you are expecting it to make a zigzag. So it might come little bit. Come little bit down and then go. Let's say this is the 61% retracement and this is the 80% retracement. So when we are expecting this, it won't happen. So there, the internal waves will come into help. And compared to this, if you compare this and this, we will be seeing this. So there you will be finding, but minimum for the zigzag below 61%, then the C movement should be at least like bottom of the A. From there.
Right.
Yes. So there again, you have to see this minimum to minimum is 61%, they say.
Hmm.
So again, there is a retracement minimum 100%. If it is like, let's say if it is taking longer time of, it has to make C failure at least 38%. Mota mota ye yaad rakhna hai aapko ki remember this, at least some retracement to some retracement, at least 38% is minimum. Okay, and 61% is the second and 80% is third. Or else you can like normally remember 30%, 60% and 90%. Means 30, 60 and 90.
80-90 जा सकता है वो तो, that will be in flat only.
No, even after this C failure, let's say.
Okay, C failure.
Yeah, if, in case of C failure, if it is making a zigzag like this, okay, then it can go up to 80% of this, whatever it move. There is some similarities also. To make is a zigzag, it has to spend some time. Sorry,
Okay.
that it
That
has
is,
to spend.
okay, in zigzag it takes more time.
It's small time. At least 100% of this it has to make. 100%. If it is not, see, only time I will tell you clearly. Like if it is 100% and more than 100%, you think of zigzag, flat, or it's a impulse. Okay. If it is lesser than 100%, you need to think a triangle or a diametric. Simple. As of now, you remember this. 2. If it is lesser than 100%, it start moving, then it might be making a diametric or triangle. If it is 100%, then think of zigzag. When it moves 61% and above, we need to cut the zigzag and wait for the flat or any new impulse. How you will know whether it is a new impulse or what we say flat. If it is spending 200-300% of the time, it might be part of this correction. If it is not spending time, let's say if equal time they are taking, means down moved and similarly it is moving upside, then it is not going to make the flat. It might be some impulse or some higher correction, means upside move can be possible.
Okay.
So one important moment you need to consider, like which is the most violent move as of now, that you need to remember. That's it. According to that, you need to wait. For example, this is the most violent and downside move for us. Now you need to think in terms of this. Any move comes faster or like sharper than this, we need to shift our view or our analysis on the basis of that move. Now it is not very fast, but if you see in a lower time frames, okay, in the lower time frames, this is the fastest movement from me. So on the basis of this, you need to think, let's say tomorrow the correction is faster than this, then this will be the important move for us. Means that is the important points we need to look as per basis of that moment for further correction or impulses. Okay.
So, sir, do you feel that it may take 38% only retracement in Nifty?
Yeah, there is a possibility, but if I see this moment, I'm thinking at least it has to go at least to the 61%. So if you see this moment, I'm expecting this. Like if I see here, I'm expecting at least to 50%. If it is 50%, let's say, again, it will be more chances that to do the triangle. So then there is a chance like it to do the triangle is more. So I am saying because
So
this
triangle in this manner, you are thinking of.
Yeah, as per now, we are looking, let's say this is the one, it can make a zigzag. Okay, to make a zigzag at least like 100% of the time I'm considering, so it has to spend this time. Okay, we'll keep like this. Okay, to make a zigzag, let's say if spending one more time like this and correction, then we can accept this if it is more than 100%, right? If
Can't
not,
hear you.
sorry, once again, not able to hear me, something wrong. Hello. Hello. What's wrong? Hello. Not able to hear. Hello. Not able to hear? Everyone, or it is for everyone, or only for madam?
Hello, I'm hearing.
Yes. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. Ma'am, presently we'll keep this as a structure. Let's say it is moving, it is taking more time, means after the 2nd June also, it is going in a sideways. Okay, then we will think of zigzag.
Hello.
Yes.
See, I'm new to this wave
Now
theory.
I can hear.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Can you send me the PDF for that the book or that wave theory?
Have you read any book of Eliot Wave first or no?
No. I not read.
Okay, just
I-
just inbox me. You are in the WhatsApp group, right?
yeah, I'm in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, you can inbox me, so I'll send those books, or I'll share those books in the group itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I normally I use the charts and but I not never use this theory, so I want to learn this.
You can.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Right. Madam, firstly, you can keep this structure. So if it is, let's say, this like 1 and 2 or something like this, I'm expecting this at least like,
Hmm.
okay. So if it is below, again, like below 100% of the time, then there is the two possibilities that it might be going to make a triangle. Then again, it's A, B, C, D, and E.
Okay.
Time we need to think like how it is behaving, so that we will keep in mind.
So, sir, you kept in mind that from the small this movement is there below the B. From that point, you decided that the triangle is going to happen.
No. If it is, I'm not saying because whenever there is a faster retracement to the downside, there is a probability of that to spend the time is more. Because
Okay.
this
And
has
for this triangle is required. Yeah. Yes.
time requirement. There is extra time is required. So there it has to spend some time.
Right.
Here I'm expecting something that has to be done that of the triangle only, because or else it has to make the flat to spend more time. Flat it has to make like this.
Right. And the if flat happens, then it may retrace up to 80% then.
Yes.
More than 80%.
Yeah. Minimum is 61 and 80% can, or even to the 100%.
Maybe 123%. Right.
Okay. Anything else? 2 minutes time left. So
No, thank you, sir.
yeah.
But so many queries are there. I'll talk you later on whenever I fill that.
No issue. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Sir, can you see the Cadilla chart?
Yeah, we will. Time frame. It is a longer time trend line which is facing support here. So it moved inside. Now it is like 1, 2, or A, B, C. 50% can be possible, like these kinds of zigzag. 50% will be already it's near 50%. So it can go upside because, madam, this moment is sharper when you see this correction. If I see this correction, this moment is faster in this.
Spending time. Yeah.
The time is very quick here. So we can expect at least like some new structure may happen here, or at least like we can say this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, or it's a B. And if it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, something has started new from this bottom. So we need to consider that as at least A, B, and C. So at least 420 or 475 can be seen.
On monthly chart, sir, can you, all 5 waves are ended and this is B wave. Can we think in that manner?
Yes, it is.
Is it like that?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll remove this, everything. Okay. So here just I'm expecting this as 1 and 2.
All 5 waves are completed and this is A has been completed now. B is going on.
Yeah, it might be A, we are seeing a B, but B has to slower than A most of the time, right?
Hmm.
So if it is faster, then we may think like, okay, this might be ABC has ended, so new wave or any correction, we can say like complex correction can be seen in this case of this top and bottom.
Okay, but in any case, it is going to, I mean, minimum 61% percentage retracement will be there
Yeah.
in any case.
Yeah, angle you need to just keep in mind. So if it is above 45 degree, it is going little bit higher.